slide through. Catching all this smoke like I roll too. Cause you know that they be hating too. But we just keep on building up, we bulletproof, yeah.
You're live.
Live?
Yeah, say something.
Alright, welcome back. It's another day. I'm tired. I'm sleepy.
Well, you look Asian.
Because you got me looking in the sun. Ready?
I can't be on the other side. I'm gonna just catch the damn sun. It's gonna...
Alright, but for real though, we back again, another day. The car's 100% good. So I'll give you guys a quick update. We got our boost controller wired up. We got all the fancy AN lines and fittings and nonsense going. So computer reads that. I fixed the... What'd I fix?
I don't know what you fixed. You didn't fix shit.
Oh, the air fuel sensor wasn't reading on the ECU. So we got that working. We gotta bleed the... Whoa. The blunch. We gotta bleed the clutch. Bleed the clutch, and then we're gonna go drive this thing until we run out of gas, and then park it up, and then repeat.
Nice.
Paul!
You dark as hell.
Well, you look like Antikute. Kunta Kinte. Whatever.
I look like Michael Blackson.
Boy! It's time for my dog Poe.
Pumping on the clutch pedal. Hold it.
Yeah, hold it.
All right. Oh, I felt it. I felt it go down.
Go ahead.
Pump.
Yeah.
Boy, ain't even coming back up. Get the up here. I'm gonna give him a long ass clip of me just kicking the out of this thing. While Josh just stands there menacingly.
Why you sound mad?
Huh?
You sound mad. You only gonna get a leg workout. You ain't do your squats this week, so you know.
Boy, I did my 50 pull-ups this morning. What you mean?
Hey, fat boys can't do
My
pull-ups.
bullshit. I must not be fat then.
Can't do pull-ups.
My girl was like, "Hey, you better hit your pull-ups. Don't be quitting on me." I was like, "Fuck." It's still kind of like, it's not soft. Like, it's literally just, I can feel it flexing. Can I get a Honya? You're supposed to say it, you piece of shit.
Oh yeah. I feel like I'm giving the car a hand job.
Why is that what I'm coming back to? Motherfucker, that's not what you were just saying. You dead. So we curb stomped the shit out of the clutch, and it feels a tiny bit better, but it's still kind of soft. It's kind of like flexing halfway and then biting. So we're gonna try to adjust the bite point. Possibly, if it's bad, we might have to change the slave cylinder. Probably the slave cylinder.
That's what I'm doing. None of that. You know why?
Facts.
We broke out here.
Yo, for that, I mean, you could always find one off of you could probably find one off like a Rx7 or a
Not
or
so,
another
alright,
Rx7.
so what I think would, so like these were like, I think I bought them from like AutoZone like 6 years ago.
Bad.
Yeah. Low key.
They might still have like lifetime warranty though.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
So,
we
like
should
I
ask
could probably
them.
have lifetime warranty. What we'll do is we'll go.
We go check it when we go for a
because I
drive.
can't remember if I bought it from like Bennett Auto Supply or if I bought them from O'Reilly's. Because when I was building this car, I worked at Bennett.
Oh,
so
true.
like.
I forgot they got Bennett's down here. That's like all the
Bennett's
way
gone.
over on.
Bennett is O'Reilly's.
Oh.
O'Reilly's bought over
Yeah,
Bennett's.
that's right. Because they used to have a Bennett over on University, right?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then the old man died.
Yeah.
So then the kid sold the business.
R.I.P.
Straight up, it's the truth. Get yourself one of these, a mini snap-on. You feel me?
One of these.
These nuts.
What are those? Yeah, so, you know, we'll hit y'all back when we figure out what's going on. Alright, we about to start this thing. Where's this damn button, bro? For the cigarette. Oh, is it literally this button? Yes, sir.
How do you sit in my car for a second and disintegrate my glasses?
My ass had somewhere to go and your glasses were in the way.
Hey, good thing they're Heat Wave. Sponsor us. You feel me? We need more glasses. But they not broken, I think. Damn, I can't even put them back. Lit. See? Heat Wave. Sponsor us. Sponsor us. We need more glasses. We know you got them. We know you sponsor LZ. So sponsor a black man. You feel me?
Sponsor a black-owned business.
That's right. Oh, that's stink.
Yeah, dude. It smells like pre-mix and power.
Not gonna lie, I wish this thing was tuned, because I would have kicked it out. Lamborghini. Round and round we go. Yo, so when this car was white,
Yeah.
I was being stupid, and I smacked that curb. These trucks not gonna go. I'm going too slow for a normal civilian.
Caught on camera, dog, going way too fast.
Like why?
Bro, this man thinks he's in Tokyo Drift right now. It's all about family. Wait, no shot. Is that the Lexus I was driving like a
Yeah,
Or what is that? That is a Lexus, right?
yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I was hoping we'd pull up next to him before he turned, just so I could say, yo, you drive like dog. Hey, y'all want to see an illegal license plate? Boy, that don't say nothing. because the glare.
Oh, from like the sun?
Yeah. The glare, boy.
Why you built like a potato head?
Yo, why you so zoomed in? Well, I have it on the opposite side, that's why. I forgot I didn't zoom back out. Jingling, jangling. Well, we made it to you guys.
Why are you screaming?
Because
No,
your
I'm kidding.
car is loud. Anyways, yeah, we gonna the lottery. We gonna fill up the car, and you know, yeah, whatever. And we're off. That place busting, by the way. Wow, no wonder it was so bright. For some reason, it was literally just on like 1600 ISO instead of auto. So up until this point, I hadn't realized that the camera was recording with the wrong settings on. And so after this, we had the settings correct. But I apologize for all the footage before. I saved it as much as I could. Anyways, continue. We're still waiting. Thank you. Looks like we're going to fight the final boss. Boy, what the? Hey, yo. Oh. Hey, oh. It's green. Let's get it. Go, Power Rangers. Alright, so we back. We finished the drive, you know.
Mission accomplished.
Yo.
It drove. It didn't break. We put a lot of gas in it. Gonna put more miles on it. It's about to rain, so there's no way we about to go to Pompano tonight. So that'll be tomorrow's mission. So yeah, stay tuned next time. Don't know if we're gonna add anything else to this, but like, comment, subscribe. Carlos Ugly, you got the deal. Peace out, fools.
Peace.